really excited, and I'm so excited that we're getting to see it so much earlier in advance. That is the most exciting part. Homie is a really dear friend. He's a college friend of mine, so I'm here to root for him. And of course, the wonderful ensemble. Some of the finest actors in this country are in this movie. And I don't think it can get better than this. This kind of ensemble with then Arjun and Deepika, who are in top form anyway. I think the whole combination of forces coming together are really tremendous. And I think there's an audience for every kind of film. And I think Finding Fanny, just like Being Cyrus, is definitely one step ahead in making a new avenue for English language films with mainstream movie stars and actors. So I think I really, really hope it does exceedingly well, so it opens many more windows and doors for this kind of cinema.
I think today is our first screening, and we've not even seen the film ourselves. Yeah. So it'll be quite interesting to see what, we don't even know who's here, so I mean it'll be interesting to see what a couple of our friends have come to see the film.
We're the most lost people at this screening at this point, because we were discovering that in the car, acha koi aaya, kaun aaya, because we've just finished work and got in here. But it'll be nice to get feedback. It'll be the first genuine feedback we get from outside the film's perspective, so it should be interesting. Honestly, the reaction's been really nice. It's been overwhelming to know that people are reacting so positively to a film like Fanny. We always knew that. I think that's why we decided to be part of doing something unique in that sense. And the audience lapping it up, whether it's digitally, whether it's you guys who've spoken about the film so highly, I've recently joined Twitter, the kind of feedback I've got, it shows that our audience is ready. So the feedback has been very, very encouraging, and fingers crossed for the 12th of September.
I think it's largely been, it's looking really fun, it's looking really quirky, it's looking very different. I think these are largely the kind of reactions that are coming, and I think what we didn't expect is the kind of reaction that we've got to Shake Your Bhutiya. We thought Fanny Ray was the song that everyone will enjoy, but I think Shake Your Bhutiya is what people are really enjoying. In fact, I was listening to radio in the car the other day, and in a span of half an hour I heard the song like 3 or 4 times. So it's nice.